لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله الصلاة والسلام عليك يا حبيب الله الصلاة والسلام عليك يا نبي الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا نور الله. Alhamdulillah Azza wa Jal, as many of you know that I am in England, UK, and I'm here to do the final editing of Kanzul Iman. Make dua that on the 15th night of Shaban, Kanzul Iman is printed and launched, and before Ramadan reaches everywhere. As you know that a few days back there was a debate in Manchester between our beloved Allama Shaykh Asrar Rashid and a Christian lady. Alhamdulillah, our Shaykh won the debate, no doubt about it. But there was a challenge put forward, and that was, if your religion is true religion, then you must drink poison and nothing must happen to you. And all of you have seen that Shaykh Asrar drank poison. After drinking poison, then there was a question everywhere. How is Shaykh? How is he feeling? Is he being admitted in hospital? Did anything happen to him? Is he still living? So we decided, let's go and meet Shaykh and have a nice meal with him. And Alhamdulillah, Shaykh is next to me and he is with one piece and he is safe and he is sound. Allah protected him because he was truthful and he had his haqqul yaqeen.
Subhanallah.
And he trusted the words of beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And he had no doubt in his mind. He trusted, he never tested. So when you test, then you face problems. When you trust, you go through every difficulty. So as you can see, Shaykh is with us and we are going to enjoy a nice meal together with him. And we pray for his long life, healthy life, very productive and progressive life, that he may continue with that wonderful work that he is doing. I'll request Shaykh to give a short message to our viewers in South Africa, especially all your fans in South Africa. You have been there and a lot of people love you. They see your work through social media.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The main thing to focus on is the subject matter that was covered in the debate and the rational and textual proofs of Islam and for the truthful and veracity of Islam. This is essential for people to study worldwide. I give my regards to everyone in South Africa, to the people of Durban, the city of Ahmediyat, and to the people of Cape Town and the other parts of South Africa, and to my friend Shahid Patel. I give you assalamu alaikum and give my salam to your venerable father, inshallah, also, as well as the rest of the South African Muslims. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala decrease the crime in South Africa. That was the only down point of South Africa. Everything else was fantastic. But aside from the crime, I said, if I was in South Africa and I had drank the poison and survived, they would have hired someone to have me shot dead. But alhamdulillah, I'm in the UK, which is a safer country. But nevertheless, inshallah, in my second round of visit to South Africa, I must fulfill the legacy of the Shaykh Ahmadidat and carry out many debates against the pastors and the atheists, or whatever form of Christianity and atheism you have in South Africa, inshallah ta'ala.
Jazakallah Shaykh, and we are ready to welcome you anytime you come to South Africa. Our homes, our masajid, our marakis are open for you, and you have seen the warmth and the hospitality of the people of South Africa, and that would even increase after seeing that after drinking poison, you're still okay.
Subhanallah.
Now they're saying, did you see the karamat of Shaykh Asrar?
MashaAllah.
So they say, yes, they have seen it.
Just for the record, I'm not claiming any karamat, and people shouldn't focus on that.
But you know, public is public, you can't stop it. They say,
Especially our Indian and Pakistani brothers.
okay, Jazakallah, there's a nice food here, and inshallah we'll enjoy a food as per the hospitality of Shaykh Asrar and all his friends. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.